Hey friends, good morning and welcome to the vlog. Today is already February 19. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there. Magsi-summer na dito sa Philippines, but I don't know if it will feel like summer kasi may pasok sila Sashi at si Baba kasi yun nga, naiba na yung ano nila, yung school calendar nila. They will end this school year May. So yeah, yung vacation nila will be June and July. Weird, right? So it is their first time na ganun yung vacation nila. How are you guys? How is everybody? Oh my god, I am so sloppy with vlogging. I don't know, I always forget. Yeah, I always forget to vlog. I wanted to vlog. Every time I wake up in the morning, I say, oh, I'm gonna do some filming or vlogging, but it ends up not doing it because, you know, I end up caught with some stuff like may ginagawa here and there. So finally today I am vlogging. So si Ruki is maingay sa baba kaya nandito ako sa taas. I already took a shower, guys. Yeah, I took a shower when I woke up and I decided I need to take a shower right away, and I'm just going to prepare some food. I will be cooking banana oatmeal pancake. So that will be our breakfast, and I will see you later. So here is our pancake, guys. I just put ito yung ano butter. Tapos yan kay Rookie. He will be topping it with ito goya tsaka ano peanut butter from SM. Yan, itadakimasu. You I mean in my dream. Nanak ka na. Malakaw na ka. Din na ako. Nate,
Naman ko pa yun.
Blanak din. Imong dadun. Lagot kay ko.
Kasi na itong anak.
Na baby. Bago de. Di ko asa magka. Din mo ito na kag-Amerika. Di ko ha?
Gusto ko
Di
Amerika.
ka pwede mo kag-Amerika. Rin na
Gusto mo kay
mo
visa.
mga kwarta para wak di ka kaadto. Hello guys, so I don't know if this is a good quality video pero ang liwanag. So I'm just having a snack. I'm eating ice cream. This is the Magnolia Temptation Mocha and Casio flavor. Ayan. Meron pang natira from Valentine's kasi hindi masyadong kumain sila Baba at si Sashi. Ayaw daw nila. Well, I don't know. But currently, I have done playing with Maui and Miguel. So right now, I am editing a video while eating this ice cream. Whew. So, ayan. So, I was planning na I'm going to, ano tawag yan, be drafting pattern para sa costume ni Ate Sashi ba? Hindi ko pa nagawa, guys. Oh my God. And it's already 5:30. Maybe I'll just do it later. And right now, I am trying to edit something. And I'm also cooking foodie for the dogs. Kasi, konti lang yung ginawa ko kahapon. Kasi I want their food to be fresh. Ayan. Ngayon will be, yung tawag niyan? Chicken neck, fried chicken neck. Kasi kahapon, yeah, fried chicken neck din ba? Pero nung the other day, ano yung kinain nila? Chicken liver for their, good for their hair. So, yun, so, yeah, kasi, hindi din pwedeng, pakainin sila ng chicken liver lagi, guys. Kasi, TMI, or, sorry if this makes you gross, pero, nagiging wet yung poop nila pag kumakain sila ng constantly na chicken liver, and pinakain din sila ni mother ng yung inununan, yung paksiw na isda, and hindi din pwede sa kanila yun kasi magwe-wet din yung poop nila. So it's gonna be chicken lang, chicken talaga para safe yung poop, hindi masisira yung stomach nila. So I'm just waiting for that, and I'm going to make myself a coffee while editing para may energy. My second dose of coffee for today. Tapos may dinner din sila mother na tinapay pandileche. I don't know if I'm gonna eat that. I'm not into bread lately. I don't know why. So let's see. Ano pa pala kami, nagluto pala si mother ng ganito, tuyo. I'm gonna eat this one, I guess, kasi luto na yung kanin ko. I think luto na. Ayan, oo nga, luto na. We need to remove this one. Tapos, nagluto din siya ng ito, menudo, but I don't like menudo. So, I'm just gonna eat the tuyo. So, I will be eating dinner early, guys. It is like, almost 6, 4:30 to 6 na. So, medyo baliwanag pa sa labas kasi pa-summer na. So, I'm just going to eat dinner early kasi I'm used to, I like eating dinner early kasi nadadigest mabuti ng tiyan yung foodie. Yun. So, yung dinner natin is ito. Here's my dinner. Rice! Coffee with vanilla. And then, ito nga, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, yung tuyo or buwad sa Cebuano o Bisaya. Tapos suka. And I don't know if I'm going to eat. This is not so healthy, but I am craving. I haven't eaten tuyo for the longest time ever. Hindi ko ma-remember kung kailan pa. So I'm eating that. And I'm also gonna slice some pepino maybe. Or eat some watermelon after this one. So kain tayo, guys! Hello, guys! So I think I'm gonna say goodnight now kasi I wanted to finish what I'm doing, and we are planning to go to our neighbor's wake kasi oh my God, namatay yung wife ng neighbor namin, so there will be a wake tonight. So we are planning, hopefully makapunta kami ni Ruki. So hindi pa nakarating sila, yung mga bata tsaka si Ruki from school, but it's past 6 already, but I need to say goodnight now. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always, guys. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. And also, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you on my next one. Yasumi.